This is Humber Bay. Humber River goes into Lake Ontario. It's right to the right side of the frame, and this is the left side where there are glowing orbs. They are hovering on or near high power lines which stretch across the lake or the bay, and they feed the large apartment complex with electricity, which is on the other side. If you could see right across, you would see the apartment complex, but since they're so bright, you can't see anything else. And they're powering up, and it looks like they're bleeding electricity off from the power lines, because they're right there where the power lines are. And you can even see the reflection in the water. That's how bright they are. That's the reflection. Those two spots below are reflections in the water. And these are not round. They appear round because of the glow, but they are hexahedrons, and that's their true shape. See, there's one, just went from one cluster. There's another one. They're going from one cluster to the other, and this is teleportation right there. So there it is. It just went from one to another one, and then to the bunch on that side right there. There's a tree there. You can see a whole bunch of black entities, and I don't know what they are, but they've been there for the 2 years that I've been filming them. And I don't know how long they've been there other than that, but for 2 years for sure. And they glow every night like this, and they're there in the daytime. They glow, but they're hard to see in the daytime. All you can see is spots of light, not big orbs like this. But like I said, it's a hexahedron, not an orb. It only appears to be an orb due to the glow. When they get pissed off and they get larger, that's when you can tell that it's a hexahedron. This is Humber Bridge. Now this bridge is where Humber River, it goes below the bridge and into the lake. And the lake is over here, and you can see some of their reflections on the lake. You can see the reflections. Those are reflections in the water. See, they are so bright that they have reflections on the water. Okay, they are hovering in the same positions for 2 years, day and night, non-stop. I don't know if they change shifts or what, how they can stay up so long in one spot, but like you saw them before teleporting, they don't stay just in one spot, so they must switch off in shifts. When some get worn down, they go and replenish their energy and come back. There are so many of them. Even if they didn't do shift work like that, they still have enough of them to light up this whole area. It's like Christmas. It's early Christmas here every day. Those are right along the wires. See, they just light up and then disappear. Here's a cluster that's active. They noticed, like, they can tell I'm filming them. See? They just block me right out. It's a real bright one, man. I think those bright ones stand guard. They kind of watch over the others, but this is an active cluster. They're accelerating the rest of them around because they have to maintain a certain momentum to stay up. So this is an active cluster. I'm going to go back and show you the whole thing. Look how many are lit up. The tree is right there to the left. This is right next to the tree, those that are lit up. And then on across the bay here, the Lake Ontario. And right across with the power lines. And now this is Humber River Bridge. And there's no lights on that bridge. They are the ones lighting it up. It actually has no lights. And I've been there night or day many times. Here's that active cluster. Now they're calmed down because they know I'm taking pictures. And there's that bright one that watches over that cluster. And what that cluster is doing is they're going from the trees over here. It's hard to see, but this is right in the trees. There's a lot of low trees or tall bushes. It's pretty thick. There's a little house with a red roof there, and it's a brick house with about a 10-foot high wall made out of brick, so you can't really see anything inside there. But these are pissed off. And there's the hexahedron. There's more of them. Now you can tell this is a hexahedron right there. See how there's more there than you can tell because most of them don't light up, and they have transparent membranes which make them invisible. Only when they light up can you see them easily.